What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Family of 4. It's been a while, I feel like, since I've talked to you all. It's been mostly Marcus doing a lot of the technical things that I don't do on the van, but he's taking care of it, getting it done. But I'm back. I'm here. Hello.
What we've done so far, on this side, I had a brake caliper that was sticking, and I thought I fixed it when I bled the brakes a couple weeks ago, but it kept sticking, so I changed out both of the brake lines on the front, got that situated, topped off the fluids. I still got to bleed it. You still got to bleed it, so I'm gonna have to get my wife to help me bleed it. But I got that completed, and today we're going to, I gotta get tires tomorrow. I got to do I'm gonna do a radiator flush, and we're gonna do oil change. Radiator flush and oil change. We're gonna test out the new Avapow AP18 tire inflator. And we all have those situations to where we just need to pump the tire up until we get to a shop. We're gonna unbox it and we're gonna see what's to it. Because if nothing is to it, we're gonna see if nothing is to it. But if it's good, we're gonna see if it's good. And by the way, Avapow reached out to us to test and review this inflator. This case is nice. All right, this is the carrying case. This is the actual product. This thing is nice. USB-C charger. What do we have in here? We have the charger, USB-C to USB-C. We have the adapters, tire, basketball, football, air mattress, all types of adapters to go with it. This is the pretty thick book. Okay, this is the inflator, and it locks on the stem. So, yeah, let's give it a try. So we're looking at 1.5 hours for a full charge. Inflation time, less than 10 minutes at 150 PSI. Now that's impressive. 8,000 milliamp hours. This is, this should be nice. And you know, all of that stuff is in the manual that comes with it. But we're gonna screw this in. It's tight. All right, it's tight. Just plastic off here. Okay. And I like this nice display. And it's on. And it's fully charged. And we're gonna ramp up the PSI. We're gonna go to 45 PSI. We have the light button right here. Has the light on it. Has different modes: scooter, bike, basketball, car. All right, well, it's locked in. So it's showing 4.5 pounds of pressure right now. And we're gonna see what happened when it reached the max pressure. All right. It turned off at 36 pounds of pressure, and that's where we had it set. So all right, so overall, I would say if you're in a emergency situation where you need some air, this would be perfect. Or if you're just pumping up tires around the yard and things like that, like this would be perfect as well. Compact cars, trucks, vans, nothing commercial size, but overall, I like it. We want to encourage you all to never give up on your dream. It's been a long 89 days, well, almost 90 days from the time we started with this van bill. Actually serious about this van bill. And we didn't know how we would get it done or how long it would take to get done. But with all the support that we received from you guys, our family, whether it was watching, sharing, Amazon wish list, encouraging comments, anything, monetary gifts, anything that you guys have done for us has helped us tremendously in this journey. And like I said, it's been a 90-day journey. And from the time we started, and I'm gonna get her to throw that first clip in there. The first day she came out here, I'm gonna get her to throw that clip in there.
Big trips, little trips, I don't care. I'm traveling in 2025, and I plan to do all of it on a budget. How I'm going to do it? This baby right here. I'm going to be riding, well, fixing it up, finish fixing it up, in this van. I plan to travel and record every single thing in this van.
And I think I said 12 months. I know you didn't agree with 12 months, but
I wanted to be on the road for 12 months.
Yeah, but I said 12 months. And you guys helped us speed this thing up, and we had to get a lot of things done ourselves. If you look at the videos throughout the bill, you will see that we were doing it, it was piece by piece. We didn't have the money to dump in the van bill, so it was piece by piece.
And also with the help of sponsors that reached out to us. We didn't reach out to anyone, and we know that that's just all God. All the things that we needed or that we had desired, God provided. These people reached out to us and provided these things, and we're just so grateful for all of it.
All in all, never give up on your dreams.
So again, as he said in the beginning, don't give up on your dreams. dreams, no matter how long it takes. We didn't actually know how long it would take to do the van because, again, we were making videos on faith and we just was working on faith. Our faith was our currency. It may not happen tomorrow, but it's going to happen. It's coming. But with that being said, we love you guys. We thank you so much for tuning in to our channel, being so positive. All the ones that are so positive, we love y'all. Okay, you keep us going. If this is the first time watching us and you haven't subscribed, we would love if you would subscribe to the family and become our family. And with that, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.